Hello guys, I'm here to teach you how to use the internet for free here in Ghana. And I don't know if this trick works in other African countries as well, but here in Ghana it's working 100%. So without wasting my time, let's get started. Alright, so open your Play Store and search for this app, Rapid Inject Pro. Rapid Inject Pro. You search for it, okay, here's it. You download and install the app. After installing, you open the app and you see this dialog box open up. So when it pops up, make sure that it always pops up. So you're gonna select update. You click on update, and here's where the trick is right over here. Here's where the trick is. You select Guatemala. Come that, select your country. Yeah, so when this pops up, you select Guatemala. Yeah, it's right above Argentina over here. Select Guatemala. Then you save it. After saving, you come to the interface of the app. Yeah, right over here. You click on random, then you select torrent server. Okay, torrent server. Then you come below it, direct internet. You click on it. You select Guatemala to go free by BF. Okay, it's right away. Guatemala to go free by BF. You click on it. Okay. Then you go back to your home screen. You go to settings. Then you go to connections here. I'm using Samsung Galaxy A12, but this trick can be done on any phone. Connections. Go to mobile networks. Then go to access point names. Okay, right over here you click on add. Then the name, you type MMS in caps. MMS, capital letters. You come here, APN, that one, so you type MMS in caps, capital letters. Yeah. After that, you click on the three dots here. You save it. Okay. Alright. After saving, you come back. Then you click on MMS to make sure that it's been set over there. Okay, MMS. And then go back to your Rapid Inject Pro and click here to connect. Yeah, the cycle over there. Tap to connect. Connected. And guys, we are done. You can use the internet for free. Everything, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, everything.